Hi everyone. In the previous two videos we have studied the for iteration statement and while iteration statement, and in this video we'll be studying the do while iteration statement. The functionality of all the three iteration statement are kind of same, but there is one such difference in do while iteration statement. The for and while iteration statement are pre-test iteration statements, pre-test loops, but the do while iteration statement is a post-test. Now what do we mean by pre-test iteration statements and post-test iteration statements? In pre-test iteration statement, before going for the functionality, before running the block of a code, it checks for the condition, and if the condition results in true, then only the block of code will work. But in post test iteration statement, if the block of the code will execute at least once, and after it checks the condition, so if it is true then it will work again, but at least it will work once. So do while is the only loop in which working will be performed at least one time, even if the condition is false. So I'll just run this program for you and tell you the output. Do while program .java. See, there are no errors. Now I'll run it. See, this is working. Value of I is equal to 0, I 1 2 3 4. Now I'll just make this, I'll just less than and minus 1 over here. Now this condition is false for the very first time, but I'll compile it. See, but it is giving me value of I is equal to 0 at least once. So if I want to execute my do while loop infinite time, so I'll just write here true, and see, it is working infinitely. I'm pressing Ctrl C to stop it forcefully. Now I'll write here false, and let's see what happens over here. See, there is no error because there is no unreachable code if this condition is false, as there was a problem in while loop or for loop. Now this condition is executed at least once, and if this is false, this will not come back again. So this is all about the iteration statement. In the next video we'll be studying jump statements. Thank you.